Hi, I'm Guy. This is the Guy or Cook Report. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to talk about how to use Twitter Advanced Search for free. If you go to the show notes, theguyorcookreport.podbean.com, and get the link for the YouTube session, there's a picture there on YouTube and it'll show you what I'm saying, and that is the little search box up in the top corner of Twitter page. Well, they've got that on steroids. If you go to the show notes, you'll get the link for the twitter.com search-advanced, and that's indeed a 23 joule stem wind and wonder of technology. Also, it talks about TweetDeck, which is good for managing multiple sessions in Twitter. Maybe you've got some notifications, some things that you want to keep an eye on. So that's how it's done. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day for this episode of the Guy or Cook Report, and it's a wrap.